Welcome to another NEBA Spotlight. I am so happy to present to you Eric. Eric, tell us about you. Tell us about your business.
Thank you, Greg. So good morning. I'm Eric Jacobowitz, Castle Computer Technologies, full service IT company, and I troubleshoot computers, remove viruses, keep your computer working smoothly. What you're looking at here is just my webpage. You can visit me at castlecomputer.com and you see my phone number up there as well. And today I want to talk about some things that you could do to keep your computer safe and some of the things that I do. And, we've all been there. Zoom's not working, email's not sending, your printer's not printing, or worse, you're getting pop-ups all over your screen, and then you start screaming at your computer, and no amount of screaming obscenities at your computer is going to solve those problems. And that's where I come in, and I troubleshoot your computer issues. I do it remotely, so it does not matter where you're located. I log onto your computer, and I troubleshoot your computer. And it doesn't matter if you have a Mac or a Windows, does not matter. I log onto your computer, I troubleshoot the problem. I can remove the virus. I can get rid of all those pop-ups, make your email start working properly, fix your Zoom issues. Pretty much any software issue can be resolved remotely. And that's how I do it. And I take care of it for you. And you go about working about your business. Some things I want to talk to you about to keep your data safe and keep your personal information safe. And one of the first things is these Facebook quizzes. You've seen these Facebook quizzes. What's your elf name? What's your Easter bunny name? Or tell me 10 cities you've been to. Don't fill out those polls on Facebook. It's just hackers looking to steal your personal information. With each question they ask, they're trying to figure out keys to your passwords or to your personal information so they can steal your identity. Don't fill out those Facebook quizzes ever. If you want to fill them out for fun, do it on your own, but don't post your results ever. Keep that stuff all to yourself. Quick iPhone tip. Actually, this works on Android now as well. If you're typing and then you find you make a typo, you can press and hold the space bar, and then you can slide your finger around like it's on a trackpad instead of trying to tap in the message to see where you want to type. Press and hold the space bar, the keys will disappear, and then just slide your finger around on your keyboard on your iPhone or your Android phone. You'll move the cursor to exactly where you want it to be. So it's just a little tip to make typing a little bit easier. A lot of times when you're working on your computer, things just don't start working properly or things start slowing down. You're running into a problem. Restart your computer. Restarting your computer fixes a lot of issues. It will empty out memory. It'll get rid of some temporary files. It refreshes your computer. So first troubleshooting sign, if you run into a problem, restart your computer. See if that fixes the issue. That works on phones as well. And a quick iPhone tip, if you use the latest iPhone, I'm sorry if this happens to you right now, as I'm going to invoke Siri, but if you say, hey, Siri, restart my phone, that will restart your phone, which is different than turning your phone off and turning it back on. Doing a restart is a little bit different than actually turning your phone off. So say, hey, Siri, restart my phone. It will restart your phone, which is different than turning it off. And that helps troubleshoot a lot of issues. A couple of things that you could do when on the web, and this one pertains to a Google search. When you do a Google search, and let's say you search for Amazon, and instead of typing in Amazon.com, you're just in the search bar, you type in the word Amazon, and you get a couple of little search results. And the first one says sponsored or ad, never click on it. When you click a sponsored link, you're going to get a fake message like you see on the right side of your screen, where it pops up a message and tells you have a virus on your computer. Never click a sponsored link. A lot of times they're fake. It looks like it's going to Amazon, but it's really not. Scroll further down the results list on your Google search and then click the actual link to Amazon or whatever website you're searching for. But when you click those sponsored links or advertisement links, you're going to get a fake message on your computer that says you have a virus, which is annoying and starts screaming at you. And it's kind of hard. It's not hard to get rid of, but it takes some time to get rid of. Save yourself the aggravation. Never click a sponsored link. As more of them start filling up on Google results, go further down the list and then click the one that you're supposed to click on, and you won't have this problem. Also, never Google a phone number. When you Google a phone number, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get a fake phone number. For example, here, this message that you see on the screen, Apple tech support, that is not the phone number to Apple. You call that number, it's a scammer. They're going to tell you they want to log onto your computer, and then they're either going to want to install some malware on your computer or steal your personal information or install something to keep stealing your keylogger or something to get all of your information. Never Google a phone number. If you want a phone number for a company, go to their actual website, go down to the bottom, click on contact us. You'll find their phone number, but never Google a phone number. Couple of things quickly that you could do to keep your computer working smoothly. One, you always have to have a password manager. Two, you must have a backup. And three, you must have good quality security on your computer. I'm going to talk to those really quickly. Password manager. It remembers all of your passwords for you. You should have a different password for every single website. So use a password manager. It'll store all of your passwords for you. Use a dedicated password manager is better than using one built into Chrome or Safari or Edge or Firefox. Dedicated password managers work better. If you have any questions about them, give me a call or send me an email. I'll be happy to help. Multi-factor authentication. This is a big one. You have to have multi-factor authentication turned on for all your accounts. And what that is when you try logging into an account, you're going to get a text message on your phone or prompted to enter a code from an authenticator app on your phone as an additional layer of security to get into your account. As you can see, passwords were compromised. All of our passwords have been leaked. They're all compromised. So a hacker probably has your password to say Facebook. He's going to log on to Facebook and get into your account. And if you do not have multi-factor authentication turned on, he's going to get into your account and he's going to turn it on and then you're locked out of your account. So make sure you have multi-factor authentication turned on every account that offers it. Quality security. You need good quality security software on your computer to keep your computer safe. That's always scanning, always updating, always working to keep your computer safe. Don't use the free ones. Don't use Avast. Don't use AVG. Use a good quality security software. If you're not sure which one you have or what you need, give me a call. And this one's vital, backup. You need to have a backup of your data. It's not a question of if, it's a matter of when your hard drive is going to fail. And if you don't have a backup, you're going to lose all those important files. Make sure you have a backup that's stored off-site in the cloud, because if you have a little USB drive, what's going to happen is if you have a fire or theft or a virus will get onto that external drive. Fire or theft, you're going to lose that external drive as well. So you want to have a cloud-based backup that you can log onto from anywhere in the world and get your data back. Finally, in addition to just troubleshooting your computer and keeping your computer safe, I offer a monthly monitoring and maintenance program that keeps your computer working smoothly, does the top quality security, makes sure you're backed up, takes care of everything for you. It's all for one small monthly fee. And if you have any questions, we could talk about that later on. And this is my contact information. You can scan my QR code and get my digital business card, book a calendar appointment with me. My phone number and website are there. Follow me on social media. I'm always posting tips on keeping your computer safe. If you have any questions, reach out to me. But that's me, Eric Jacobowitz, Castle Computer Technologies. We worry about your computer, so you don't have to.
Great job, Eric. We look forward to supporting you in business. Thank you so much for everything that you do for everybody in this group. And thank you so much.
Thank you.